Okay, here's question 7 on the higher calculator paper. Let's read the question first. Peter goes for a walk. He walks 15 miles in 6 hours. Work out Peter's average speed. Give your answer in miles per hour. Okay, so one of the things we need to know for this question, and it's really important that you know this, is the formula to work out average speed, or just speed, but I'm going to write average speed. Now they've given a big clue in this, in that they've said give your answer in miles per hour. Per means out of, so in miles out of hour. Miles out of hours. Okay, miles is a distance and hours is a time. So speed is equal to distance over time, distance divided by time. And in this particular case, Peter walks 15 miles, so the distance that he travels was 15 miles in 6 hours. So that's 15 over 6. And again, remember, this is a calculator paper, so you can grab your calculator, you could do 15 divided by 6, and what does that give you? That gives you 2.5. I'm going to write that in the answer space because the speed that he traveled was 2.5 miles per hour. Okay, looking at part B, right, let's read the question first. Here they tell us that 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. 5 miles is 8 kilometers. Sunita says that Peter walked more than 20 kilometers. So she says that Peter walked more than 20 kilometers. I've just noticed here that there's a star next to part B, so there's marks for quality of written communication. And the question says, is Sunita right? You must show all your workings. Okay, so let's think about what this question is asking. Sunita says that Peter walked more than 20 kilometers. Well, Peter walked, now from the previous part we were told that Peter walked 15 miles. Okay, he walked 15 miles. Now if 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers, that means that 15 miles, right, because 5 times 3 is 15, then how many kilometers is that? That's going to be 8 times 3, that's 24 kilometers. Okay, so he walked 15 miles, that's actually 24 kilometers. She said that Peter walked more than 20 kilometers. Is Sunita right? Yes, she is right. Peter walked 24 kilometers, which is more than 20 kilometers. So I've tried to put a very complete answer to this, right, to make sure that I do get all the marks. There are 2 marks available for this and 4 for the whole question. Make sure you do get them. Look at this a couple of times if you don't understand anything, but this is a pretty straightforward question which you should be able to get full marks in.